Hello students, how are you? Today I am going to start a new chapter. Its name is supply. Okay, this is chapter 5 of your book. Okay, at first try to understand the meaning of supply. What is the meaning of supply? Supply means sending goods into the market. Supply means not sell. Supply means not sell in the market. Supply means sending goods into the market. Okay, willing and able. Suppose you want to send 10,000 pens in the market and consumption of pen in the market 5,000, then your supply is 10,000, not 5,000. Okay, because you were willing to supply in the market 10,000 pen, but you were able to send 5,000 pen in the market. It means willing and able. Okay, supply means what? Willing and able. The term supply refers the amount of the goods or services that the producers are willing and able to offer to the market at various prices during a period of time. Supply means willing and able to sell in the market. Suppose supply of any commodity increased, then price will always increase. Supply decrease, then price will also decrease. This is the rules of supply. Okay, so this is the supply. Supply increase, supplier will happy and he will sell more and more quantity in the market. If supply will decrease, then supplier will be unhappy and he will decrease the supply. Okay, this is the definition of supply. This is the concept of supply. Okay. Then I am going to give you a depth knowledge regarding the definition of supply. Please see the video, then you can understand. Please see it. Hello student, today I will discuss supply. This is introduction of supply, day 1 video. Okay, page number 75, page 75 of your book. Okay, which book? Frank ISC. Okay, Frank ISC book. Here, page number 75. Today I am going to discuss it. Please, at first you will understand what is supply. Okay, what is supply? You will understand it. What is the meaning of supply? I will discuss it. The term supply refers the term supply. What is supply? Write down your copy. What is supply? Here. Or what do you mean by supply? What is definition of supply? Okay, I am going to discuss it. Clear? Please write down the definition of supply. Okay. What is supply? Okay, try to understand. This is your chapter. The terms supply refers the terms answer. The terms supply refers the amount of a goods or services that the producers are willing and able to offer to the market at various prices during a period of time. Okay, you have written the definition. The term supply refers the amount of a good or services that the producer are willing, okay, producer are willing and able to offer to the market at various price during a price of time. Supply means not sell. Okay, supply means goods producing into the market, distribution of goods, not selling. Supply means not selling. Clear? The supply here you will have to think, suppose you are supplier, okay, then you will think that I will increase my production more and more, okay, then my profit will increase. Okay, you will think more supply in the market. It means if supply will increase, then supplier will be happy. If supply will decrease, then he will unhappy. Okay, the supply is most important things. Why? If supply will increase, then supplier will happy. It means profit. And if it is decreasing, then loss in the business. Okay. If supply is increased, then price will increase. Okay. If supply will decrease, then price will also decrease. Clear? If supply is decreased, then there is no respect of supplier. Okay. Supply means what? I want to supply pen in the market. Then whether we are, this is our willing. I want to supply pen 10,000 quantities per day. This is my willing. But whether we are able or not, we will have to see about it. Okay. In our definition already I have mentioned willing and able. Willing and able. Willing means what? Cha. Able means sacham, capable. Okay. The willing means wants. Able means capable. Okay. If I have brought 10,000 pens, if I have brought 10,000 pens in the market, if I have brought 10,000 pens in the market and shopkeeper took only 5,000 pens, I have distributed only 5,000 pens in the market. Okay, I have brought by bicycle 10,000 pens to supply in the market, but shopkeeper took only 5,000 pen. Okay, it means what? What is the supply in the market? What is the supply in the market? Can you tell me? 10,000 or 5,000? Can you decide 10,000 supply or 5,000 supply? Okay. Supply means, already I have told you, willing and able. Willing plus able is equal to supply. Clear? Willing means it is my expectation, it is my wants that I will bring, I will distribute 10,000 pen in the market, but I was able to give only 5,000 pen. Clear? Then our supply was 5,000 or 10,000? Obviously 10,000, not 5,000. Okay, because our supply was 10,000, but shopkeeper took only 5,000. Okay, then our supply was 10,000. Okay, I wanted to distribute 10,000 pens in the market. I wanted to distribute 10,000 pens in the market, but supplier took only 5,000 pen. Means what? I was able to supply, I was able to give only 5,000. Okay, clear? But our production was how much? Our production was 10,000, but I supplied in the market 5,000. Clear? It means what? हम 10,000 पीस पेन लेके गए मार्केट में, लेकिन अगला दुकानदार 5,000 पीस ही लिया। गरज किसको है? गरज मुझको है, क्योंकि हमको 10,000 पेन मार्केट में खपाना है, लेकिन हम 5,000 कर पाए जो है। तो मार्केट में सप्लाई कितना है? 10,000। प्रोडक्शन कितना है? 10,000। ओके, क्लियर? अंडरस्टूड? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सप्लाई? क्या सप्लाई का मतलब सेल होता है? सप्लाई मीन्स सेल। सप्लाई मीन्स व्हाट? सेल? नो, सप्लाई मीन्स नॉट सेल। सप्लाई मीन्स व्हाट? सप्लाई का मतलब सेल नहीं होता है। सप्लाई मीन्स व्हाट? सेल के लिए गुड्स को मार्केट में पहुंचाना। सेल के लिए गुड्स को मार्केट में पहुंचाना, दिस इज कॉल्ड सप्लाई। 10,000 पीस हम मार्केट में लेके गए, अगला 5,000 पीस लिया जाए। ठीक है, मार्केट में सप्लाई कितना था? 10,000। ठीक है, सप्लाई मीन्स व्हाट? सेल के लिए गुड्स को मार्केट में पहुंचाना है, दिस इज कॉल्ड सप्लाई। I think you have understood the definition of supply. If you have doubt, then you will comment in the comment box. I will